Greetings. Congratulations on your new TV or on attempting to power it up. If you're facing any difficulties, fret not, as I am here to assist you. Begin by locating your remote control. The power button is usually situated at the top and is typically identified by a symbol resembling a circle with a line through it. Simply press this button, and your TV should illuminate and power on effortlessly. If nothing occurs, take a moment to verify if the TV is correctly plugged in or if the batteries in the remote need replacement. These are minor issues that can be resolved swiftly. With these steps completed, your TV is now operational, and you can enjoy your viewing experience to the fullest.